welcome to my channel. Today I'm super excited to share amazing online tools that I recently discovered. I developed this tool, BGClearer.com. I think you are ever ready to remove image background. You are going to love these tools. You can try it. I think you can love it. What makes BGClearer special? First of all, it's completely free for your first 5 images, and high HD quality is free. And here is bus support. You don't even need to create an account and sign up. Just visit the website and start using it right away. Okay, let me show you how incredible fast and powerful this tool is. BGClearer uses to advanced AI technology to detect and remove background. It's honestly mind-blowing how accurate it is. Okay, let's do a quick demo. You can type bgclearer.com in your Chrome and okay, done. Okay, you can open it, you can access it. And at the middle of screen, you can see the upload image. Okay, you can straightforward the interface is to get started. You just click this up button here. No registration, no email required, no sign up required, nothing. Just straight to for business. I've got a few test images ready. Let's try the product first. Okay. Okay, 这个 panda. Okay. Okay, wait a second. Here we'll show orange picture, and I don't receive this orange people and content. You can use it free, yeah, and process, and AI technology will process. Okay, well done. Here is panda, not without background. Okay, we can see remove RG. Okay, I forget remove the BG. Okay, I think it's working. Okay, I forget the domain. Let's try it. Okay, I'm work not to work. Okay, try it. I think you can like it. Let me try something more and challenging. Okay. Why I corrected the choice? I think here is some main reasons. First, absolutely free for 5 images. Second, no sign up required. No registrations required. Yeah. Third, I think it's so fast and required. And HD quality is free. You can download. Okay, it's free. Yeah. You can get it. You can get it easy. And clean. Very clean. And simple interface. I strongly recommend it. I hope you can love it. You can use it. It's free. I think it help your business, your work effectively. And so, have fun and enjoy it. See you.